Teaching and Learning Poster Ideas 2021 Effe ChemTorials Effective Chemistry Tutorial by Noliza Zakaria, Nur Hidayah Pungot and Nurul Auni Zainal Abidin. For decades, the traditional teaching and learning using textbooks and PowerPoint point slides is very popular in universities and college. However, this approach is not the best teaching method, especially for subjects that require critical concept thinking. Due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, many schools, colleges, and other educational institutions have embraced online education platforms for lecture, but the students lacking in performing the tutorials after the online class due to not enough time and not effectively to guide the students during online lecture. So that, the introduction of game-based and gamification of learning is an innovative move to enhance students' experience during immersive learning. Therefore, Effe ChemTorials is an educational approach to motivate students to learn by using video tutorial design and game elements in learning environments. The goal is to maximize enjoyment and engagement through capturing the interest of learners and inspiring them to continue learning. In this project, the development of gamification-incorporated learning is introduced in the general chemistry course. It allows students to perform interactive activities like attending a test, answering the tutorials, submitting a response, working on a chemistry calculation, and more in a virtually connected classroom. A treasure hunt game was implemented using Kahoot, Prezi, and Quizizz application. This approach is capable of involving students directly in immersive learning experience such as group discussion. Perceptions and feedback from the students were obtained through questionnaires and reflective assessment. It can be concluded that at the end of the project, the content development in Effe ChemTorials has been successfully developed to increase the students' participation and engagement in this limitless and dimensionless new norm era. However, it can be further improved by adding more features for more enjoyable game and learning experience for students. The objectives: to enhance students' experience during immersive learning using gamification of learning, to maximize enjoyment and engagement through capturing the interest of learners and inspiring them to continue learning general chemistry. This allows students to perform interactive activities like attending a test, answering the tutorials, submitting a response, working on a chemistry calculation, and more in a virtually connected classroom. The advantages: helping the learners to learn faster. Performance then will increase and reduce the failure rate to zero. Happiness index among students and lecturers increase. Save the learning time. The tutorial can do everywhere and anytime. Make it the fundamental subject more interesting, fun, and attractive. Usefulness: it attractive, remember more, and improve the test score. The novelty: starting with analyze problem from chemistry student, analyze the tutorial for general chemistry, and then Effe ChemTorials design using tools in any platform such as Microsoft Teams. Effe ChemTorials apps development. From evaluation, if the Effe ChemTorials is approved, the website will be run in future and media platforms such as YouTube channel. Effe ChemTorials is a high originality and novelty education tools market. There are no MOOC for general chemistry course use these tools in PDPR during COVID-19 pandemic. There is still no product like Effe ChemTorials available in the market as immersive learning using a gamification of learning. The inventors, UFuture and Bitcom. Some of the awards received from the Effe ChemTorials: